Hello everyone, my name is Wikan Jayanteka with student ID number 21130111094 from class 5C Mathematics Education. Okay, now I will explain about Mathematics Unit 8, which is about triangle. And the question is, circle the one figure below that fits the following description. Triangle PQR is a right triangle with right angle at R. The line RQ is less than the line PR. M is the midpoint of the line PQ and N is the midpoint of the line QR. And S is a point inside the triangle and the line MN is greater than the line MS. So this is, we should pick one that figure that the following description. So to answer this question, we should check every single triangle that have been given. So let's check it to the first one. Okay, we're going to check the first description. Triangle PQR is a right triangle with right angle at R. So the first picture or the A picture is a right triangle and the right angle at R. So the picture A is correct. Let's move to the picture B. The picture B is a right triangle 2 and the right angle at the R2. So the picture B is correct. And the picture C is right triangle, but the right angle is in the point Q. So the picture C is wrong because the right angle is not in the R, but in the Q. And then the picture D. The picture D is a right triangle and right angle at R. So the picture D is correct. I'm sorry. Let's move to the picture E. The picture E is not a right triangle because uh, the picture is not a right triangle, but this is a equilateral triangle. So from the description number one or the first description, we got the correct answer, which is picture A, picture B, and picture D. Okay, let's move to the second description. Okay, let's move to the second description. So the second description is line QR is less than the line PR. So the picture A, I think is wrong because if we take a look at the picture, line RQ or QR is more than line PR. I'm sorry, the picture A is wrong. And then the picture B. And if we take a look on the picture, line RQ is less than line PR. So the picture B is correct. And then the picture C. The picture C is wrong because line PR is hypotenuse, which is hypotenuse is always more than any line in triangle. So the picture C is wrong. I mean hypotenuse always more than any line in right triangle. So the picture C is wrong. Okay, let's move it to the picture D. The picture D is correct because if we take a look at the picture, line RQ is less than line PR. So the picture D is correct. And then the picture E. The picture E is wrong because line RQ and PR are equal because they are triangle equilateral. So the picture E is wrong. So these are the answer for the description number 2 or the second description. So let's move it to the third description. Okay, the third statement, M the midpoint of the line PQ and the N the midpoint of the line QR. So the picture A, this is wrong because the midpoint of the line PQ is correct, which is M, but the midpoint of line QR is not N but S, so the picture A is wrong. And then picture B. Picture B is wrong because there is no midpoint at line PQ, and the midpoint of line QR is not N but M. So the picture B is wrong. And then let's move it to the picture C. The picture C is correct because the midpoint of the line PQ is M, and the midpoint of the line QR is N. So the picture C is correct. And then the picture D. The picture D is correct too because the midpoint of the line PQ is M and the midpoint of the line QR is N. So picture D is correct. And then the last picture E is wrong because there is no midpoint at line PQ and the midpoint of line QR is not N but M. So the picture A is wrong. So these are the answer for the description number 3 or the third description. So let's move it to the last description. Okay, the last description or the fourth description. S is a point inside the triangle. The line MN is greater than the line MS. So from this statement, we got picture A is wrong because point S is not inside the triangle but at triangle because S is a part of a line RQ. So the picture A is wrong. And then the picture B. Picture B is wrong because point S is in the outside of the triangle. The triangle PQR, I'm sorry. So the picture B is wrong. And then the picture C. Picture C is right because point S is inside of the triangle and line MN is greater than line MS. So the picture C is correct. And then the picture D. The picture D is right because point S is inside of the triangle PQR and line MN is greater than line MS. So the picture D is correct too. And then the last picture E is right because point S is inside of the triangle and line MN is greater than line MS. So the picture A is correct. So these are the answer of the description number 4 or the last description. And we know the answer is picture D because from the 4 statement or description before, the picture D always fits on the statement. So the correct answer is picture D because it is fits with the statement or description. Okay, that's all about my explanation. I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention and thank you.